Think publishing a book takes years? Well, think again. Every month you wait, you're losing readers, impact, and income. Let's fix that fast. Hey, Future Bestseller, Lisa Daly here. Most aspiring authors never publish because they overcomplicate the process. They get all stuck in perfection, they get overwhelmed by all the choices, or they think that they need a huge audience before they even start. But here's the truth: publishing a self help book can be simple and fast if you follow the right steps. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write, publish, and launch your self help book in record time without sacrificing quality. Let's dive in. Lisa Daly here. I'm a book coach and the best selling traditionally and indie published author of 15 books. And if you want to learn how to write a book you are super proud of and get it published, this is the channel for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell because I'm going to be posting a whole bunch of brand new videos to help you do just that. And I don't want you to miss a thing. Step one, the fastest way to write your book. You want to keep it simple and focus on your book's core message. The first mistake people make, they try to write everything, everything. But self help books aren't about dumping all of the knowledge from your brain directly onto 300 pages. They're about solving one specific problem for your reader. Just one. So here's how to streamline your book idea in minutes. First, you want to ask yourself, what's the one transformation my reader will get from the book? Namely, what's going to happen to them by the time they finish the book? Next, you want to break your idea into 5 to 7 main points. These are going to become your action plan chapters. Finally, try writing in sprints. Just set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes and write without editing and repeat. Most of my clients actually finish their first drafts in 2 to 4 weeks using this method. So if you're looking for company when you do your writing sprints, we actually do writing sprints right here on this channel every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Be sure to ding that little notification bell so you won't miss out. We would love to see you there. All right, here's a pro tip. If you're stuck, just talk it out. Record yourself explaining your topic and transcribe it. Instant content. There's a link to my favorite dictation app in the description below. It's pretty cheap. It is worth like its weight in gold. Step number 2, edit smart, not forever. Okay, so let's talk about my quick editing system to avoid perfectionism. Editing does not have to take months. It doesn't. The goal for your book is not perfection, it's clarity. Clarity. So here's my fast editing formula. Pass number 1, cut out all the fluff and repetition. If you wouldn't say it in a conversation, don't write it. Pass number 2, read it out loud. Your brain actually catches mistakes and kind of weird little word things that your eyes miss. Pass number 3, get a couple of beta readers to give you some feedback before sending it off to your pro editor. A couple, 2, 3, that's it. The biggest mistake to avoid: don't over edit. You will never feel done. Set a deadline, get some feedback, move forward. Step number 3, publishing made simple. Okay, so next you want to choose the fastest publishing route. So let's talk about that. You basically have 2 options for speed. The first is self-publishing, which is fastest. You basically just upload your book to Amazon KDP, draft a digital and or Ingram Spark. Or you have a hybrid publishing method, which is faster than traditionally publishing, a little slower than straight indie publishing. In this scenario, you actually pay for professional help to sort of get you through the process and get your book published fast, but you are able to keep full control of things like the cover, the copy, etc. For speed, a couple speed tips here. First, you can use a pre-made book template, so there's no need to format from scratch. Next, you can hire a cover designer on a place like Readsy, Fiverr, or 99 Designs. Finally, write your book description like you write a sales page and hook that reader fast. All right, here's a pro tip. Self-publishing actually lets you keep 100% of your royalties. You do not have to split them with your publisher, and there's no waiting on a publisher's timeline, which typically is 12 to 18 months from the time you sell your book to the time that you actually see it on shelves. Plus, if you publish yourself, you can set up a pre order on Amazon and other retailers to start selling the book before you ever write a word. What? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Step 4, how to launch quickly and effectively. Don't just publish, launch. Most authors hit publish and hope that their book sells. Like, please. I've been there. Big mistake. You definitely need a launch strategy. So, first, you want to build some buzz for your book before you actually launch. You can post some behind the scenes stuff on your social media, get your beta readers going, get some early testimonials. Next, you need Amazon reviews ASAP. So, send your book out to your email list or your social media followers and ask for those reviews on launch day. It makes a difference. Last, use your book to attract clients. Your book isn't just a product or a book, it's a lead magnet. In fact, it's probably the greatest lead magnet you'll ever create. Add a free resource inside, like a worksheet, audio download, or webinar link to turn your readers into clients. And speaking of free, have you picked up my free self help outline? You will find the link in the description below. I think you're going to love it. Publishing a self help book doesn't have to take years or even months. With the right system, you can write, publish, and launch super fast without getting stuck in overthinking or perfectionism. Don't feel bad about it. We've all been there. We've all been there. So here's a question for you. What is your biggest challenge when it comes to publishing your book? I'd like to know. Drop it in the comment below and I will reply personally. Want my full step-by-step system to write and publish your own self-help book in 30 days? Well, grab my free guide in the description below, or you can check out my Bestseller Academy course, Write a Self-Help Book in 30 Days. Right now, you can actually get $50 off the course, woohoo, with a promo code YouTube50. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who needs to stop procrastinating and publish their book. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. You're definitely going to want to check out that next video. I'll see you over there. Bye.